Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to a brand new week, our second week of school here at Perry Elementary. Today is Monday, August 26th of 2019, and here are some morning announcements for today. Teachers, just to let you know that Tuesday is the 6th day of enrollment count, so we will kind of work on registration and finalize that after tomorrow. So if we have names that have been on your list, we will remove those after tomorrow's date. So we should have finalized lists then by Wednesday. So any new students that would be coming in, we would know about. Our lunch choices for today is popcorn chicken with roll, barbecue rib sandwich, or Asian chicken salad. And today our Paws samples are by Ms. Foltz's 4th grade students. So we'll turn it over to them to share about what they want to share with Paws.
Alright, it is time for our Paws, and we have 3 students here from 4th grade to review some things that you should be doing so you can earn your Paws.
Respect the rules on the playground. Respect the new neighbors. Don't make the teacher say the rules several times.
Great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys for those Paws suggestions for today, and at this time we'll take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a great day today. It is Monday after all. It's a whole bunch of new beginnings happening this week, so let's go out there and start the week on a positive note.